It's hard to believe that you can turn the humble cabbage into a fantastic umami garlicky dish. This is my version of Khalam, plee, pad, nampla, stir-fried cabbage and fish sauce. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today we're going to cook a very simple Thai home style light meal. Okay, we're going to do cabbage in fish sauce. Okay, sounds yuck, tastes great. Let's show you how to do it, starting with the cabbage. Okay guys, straight through the cabbage. It doesn't matter what cabbage you use, but we do not want the core, so take the core out. The core's no good, so what we're left with is some decent cabbage leaves. Okay, so what we need to do is quickly cut through them so they're about 2 inches. So they're about 2-inch pieces. Okay, it doesn't matter if they're any bigger or any less. You need to quickly pick over them, loosen them all up, and then put them in a bowl. Easy as that. Now these are organic cabbages, so there could be some strange things lurking in here. So just loosen up your leaves and drop them in your bowl. It's as easy as that. Now we're not bothered about if they have a little bit of stalk on like this, you know. Job done. That's it. That's our cabbage prepared. So cabbage done guys, all we need to do now, we just need to smash some garlic and then we can get on with the stir fry. It's that easy, that quick. So just get some garlic and give it a rough smashing. Okay, and then all we need to do then is just a quick whiz over the top. We actually want chunks of garlic in our cabbage stir fry, so don't worry about this being too smooth or minced out. So that's it guys, that's our garlic. All we need to do now is put our garlic in a bowl. So that's job done, so let's crack on with the stir fry. Okay guys, on with the flame, in with a tiny bit of oil. In with our garlic, quick whiz round. This is a very quick stir fry guys. Okay, in with our cabbage. Give it a quick stir around. And what we need to do is go in with just a little touch of water. Okay. Right, so as soon as we start seeing the cabbage start wilting like that, what we need to do then is go in with about a tablespoon of fish sauce, but we go around the outside of the wok. Woo. And then in with a pinch of ground black pepper, and that is heat off, job done. And that is it guys, it's the quickest Thai meal ever. all we need to do, guys, is serve it up. And then guys, if you want it to be a bit more restauranty, you would actually go over with a little bit of fried garlic. And there we are, guys. How simple is that? I mean, that is the quickest stir fry ever. But you know, this is eaten in every Thai household, and every Thai household makes it. And you know, obviously it's cabbage, so it's really good for you anyway. But you know, there's no overpowering taste of fish sauce because you don't put enough in. It's absolutely delicious. And what happens is that the fish sauce adds like a little bit of saltiness to the whole dish. It is really, really easy to make, really delicious, and every Thai household makes this. Guys, if you like what we're doing, showing you real Thai food, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends. We'll catch you next time.